Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to delete a message on the Messenger app for PC. Whether you want to clean up your chat history or just remove something you sent by mistake, this new update makes it easy. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, be sure to download the latest version to access all the newest features. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations on the left side of the screen. Next, find and open the conversation that contains the message or photo you want to delete. Take your time to scroll through your chats until you locate the right one. Once you're in the conversation, look for the specific message you want to remove. Now right-click on the message or photo you wish to delete. This action will bring up a menu with several options to choose from. From this menu, select Remove for you. This option allows you to delete the message only from your view, keeping it intact for others in the chat. It's a great way to tidy up your personal chat history without affecting the conversation for anyone else. Finally, click Remove to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the message will be deleted from your chat and you won't see it anymore. It's a quick and simple way to maintain a clean and organized chat history. To recap the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Then, navigate to the conversation. Right-click on the message or photo you want to delete. Select Remove for you. And finally, click Remove to confirm. And that's all there is to it. Deleting messages on Messenger is an effective way to keep your conversations clutter-free and organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps. See you in the next video.